Okay, we'll let this set up for a while here. So now we can put the other side, get our other side of it on. So again, you want to check your alignment, make sure everything's still okay. Okay. We marked where we want to put our glue. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Any suggestions? I appreciate the suggestions too. You want to spread your glue out. Make sure you get your entire piece covered. So we'll get this set, and we'll get it clamped down. And just want to make it snug at first, so it doesn't do too much sliding on you. That way you can still adjust it while you're getting your other clamps on. Got it there. Now we'll put the rest of these on and let it set overnight so we get a good solid bond, and then we can start to sand down the sides. More. Like I said, I'm going to let this set overnight so I get a good solid bond, and then we can move on to our next step. Wipe off this excess glue. Thanks for watching.